All right, so we have a chart here, and on this chart, we are trying to fill it in, and I had some questions about some things with this. So remember the three things we talked about: atomic numbers, number of protons; mass numbers, protons plus neutrons; and then charge is protons minus electrons. And we use that information then to fill out this chart. So I'm going to go down the line here and when we work across, and we'll talk about this. So first off, I have an element with a -3 charge, and it's phosphorus, and the mass number is 31, okay? So first thing I'm going to do is, if I know the element, I take the periodic table here, and I find phosphorus on the periodic table, which is right here. Phosphorus has an atomic number of 15. So phosphorus's atomic number is 15, which means it has 15 protons, okay? The charge is -3, so if my charge is -3, that equals protons minus electrons. I have 15 protons minus electrons. So I subtract 15, and I get -18 is equal to my negative number of electrons. So that means I have 18 negative charges, which means I have 18 electrons. Mass number is protons plus neutrons, so 31 is equal to number of protons 15 plus neutrons 0. I subtract 15, and I get 16 as equal to my number of neutrons. So neutrons is 16. So I took information and applied it to these three equations. Remember, there's not an order you need to do it. I just did it in a random order. You could have done it in a different order and still came up with the same answers. So let's look here. Okay, another example. I got protons, electrons, neutrons. Protons is equal to atomic number, so my atomic number is 47. If I know the element, I look at the periodic table. I find number 47, that is Ag, silver. So I know my element is Ag. And then I define it, see if there's a charge. I got 47 protons, 46 electrons. 47 minus 46 is 1, right? So it's a +1 charge. You can just put +1. The one's implied, so we just make it positive. And then mass number is protons plus neutrons. So 47 plus 60, 107. Third row, I got 18 neutrons and an atomic number of 17. Atomic number of 17 means 17 protons. Periodic table tells me number 17 is Cl, chlorine. So chlorine is what I have. Does it have a charge? I don't know, because the electrons, so I can make that whatever I want. I'm going to make it easy. I'm going to make that 17. If protons are 17 and electrons are 17, 17 minus 17 gives me a charge of 0. I just leave it as is, a Cl. Mass number, protons plus neutrons, 17 plus 18, 35. And then our last one, we got the element fluorine with 10 electrons and a mass of 19. So the element fluorine, again, periodic table will tell me the atomic number. Fluorine's atomic number is right here, that is 9. So fluorine's atomic number is 9, which means protons are 9. So I want to find the charge, right? So I go 9 minus 10 will equal my charge. 9 minus 10 is -1. So fluorine has a -1 charge. Again, the one's implied. So I just put a negative charge up here. So fluorine has a negative charge. Mass number is 19, and I want to find number of neutrons. Mass number equals protons plus neutrons, so mass number is 19 equals protons, which is 9, plus neutrons, subtract 9, and 10 is my number of neutrons. So I walk you through some steps there. As you watch this, if you have any questions, email, right? Send me a quick message and say, hey, I didn't get this part, and we'll do the best to try to solve that, okay? So if you have any more issues, let me know. Thank you.